Welcome back to the Yeepers. Alice isn't here because he disappeared, I guess. And what what's that over there? Do you guys see that? Right over there. It's a deployable camera. So, this is the new RC car. What it does is you take these two controllers. These are only 100 buck coins, by the way. You can drive it, flip it, drift it, if you don't suck. And it can also push buttons. Hold on. Yeah, that's what that does. Same with the, what's it called? Teleport balls, right. Yeah, so, these things, this car, you can't fit it in. But something like this, you can. And then if you just place it down and press this button on your controller, then it goes up. You can do this with hot chocolate to make like a delivery system if you want. You can just go, and then whoever will have it, then yeah. Ending recording because I forgot to record one. That was all that you can find in the new update. Goodbye.